Hi Classroom Minutes. Today we're going to compare unit fractions, and you remember we talked about unit fractions before. I'll remind you before I start using them. As you can see, remember, unit fractions are called unit fractions simply because they have the numerator as 1. So whenever you see a fraction with the numerator, which is the top digit, as 1, that is a unit fraction, meaning 1 unit. Like 1/4, a quarter, 1/10, 1/6, 1/12, and so on and so forth. 1/millionth, 1/100th, 1/12th. So now we're going to compare these fractions using these symbols, like smaller, bigger, equal. And I have here 1/2 and 1/5, 1/2 and 1/5. So as you can see clearly, if I put them next to each other, it's clearly 1/2 is bigger than 1/5. Simply because the more, it's clearly 1/2 is bigger than 1/5. Simply because the more I split to equal parts, the smaller the amount gets, and hence the smaller the fraction. So if we're going to use these signs here to see which is bigger or smaller or equal, we're going to remember the shark mouth or the crocodile mouth. And the crocodile, for example, is hungry and he has only one choice to eat. And of course, he's going to go for the bigger chunk, which is 1/2. So the sign is going to be like this. Just imagine like this is the crocodile or a shark mouth, and it is eating 1/2. As simple as that. I'm going to add maybe a few more for you, and maybe you can practice by yourselves. I'm going to remove this sign now. Take 1/2 here. This is 1/9. So as you can see, 1 out of 9, meaning the whole is divided into equal 9 parts. Now if you put 1/9 next to 1/5, clearly 1/5 is bigger. And now we're going to put them side by side and choose one of these signs. Crocodile is still hungry. He's going to go eat the 1/5 instead. He has only one choice to choose from. I'm going to put this one now. I have 1/5, 1/5. So if I put them side by side, or one underneath the other, clearly they are the same amount. So that's why it's the same fraction. The sign, or the appropriate sign here, is going to be equal. Now, your turn. I have 1/4, 1/4, and 1/6. See which sign gonna fit there, and let me know in the comments. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.